This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Jefferson, St. Charles, St. Louis City, St. Louis, and Warren, and the following counties in Illinois: Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. Tuesday to 9 p.m. Wednesday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 10 inches. For portions of south central and southwest Illinois. Portions of east central and southeast Missouri. From 6 p.m. Tuesday to 9 p.m. Wednesday. Roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning commutes. This is a special weather statement for the following county: Lincoln, Missouri. Winter weather advisory in effect from 9 p.m. Tuesday to 9 p.m. Wednesday. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 5 inches. For portions of southwest and west central Illinois. Portions of central, east central, and northeast Missouri. From 9 p.m. Tuesday to 9 p.m. Wednesday. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning and evening commutes. Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Illinois: Champaign, Coles, Douglas, Edgar, Moultrie, Piatt, and Vermilion. Winter storm warning in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches with locally higher amounts. Where? Portions of central, east central, and southeast Illinois. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on hazardous road conditions impacting the morning commute. Lingering snow showers could maintain slick patches on roads for the afternoon commute as well. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following county: DeWitt, Illinois. Winter weather advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Wednesday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Where? Portions of central and west central Illinois. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions during the morning commute. Snow showers could maintain slick patches on roads for the afternoon commute as well. Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following county: Ford, Illinois. Winter weather advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches. Where? In Illinois, Iroquois and Ford counties. In Indiana, Newton and Jasper counties. When? From midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions will impact the morning commute. Additional details: travel impacts will likely ease after 12 p.m. as snowfall rates diminish and temperatures warm above freezing.